Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset Salesforce Authenticator. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to enable the MFA in our organization. We can simply go to Setup. From here, we need just to go to Identity Verification. So here, Identity, and then we go to Verification and we click on it, and then we will find all the verification method, and like let's just for authenticator automatically verify identities using geolocation, etc. So from here you can choose whatever you like for this is for authenticator to do here. So either you can choose let user verify the identity by a built-in authenticator, or like physical security key, etc. What first you make sure that you require a multi-factor authentication first for your logins. So now you will need just to reset your authenticator or Salesforce authenticator from your phone. So basically, if you have a new phone, you can simply install a new one and then connect to your account to it, and you will be able to connect to it. So now let's just log out and log in again, and we will see what will it require. So as you can see, now that after you are connecting to your authenticator, you will need just to add the verification code that you will get in your phone. So you simply connect to your Salesforce into your authenticator app, and then you will need just to click on verify. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.